Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Versa headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the engine completely. Then, open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for you. Next, we need to access the headlight's hidden bolts. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pop out the plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. There are usually about 3 to 5 clips and a few screws. Gently pull back the fender liner to create enough space. This reveals the lower mounting bolts for the headlight assembly, making them easy to reach. Now, let's remove the bolts holding the headlight assembly. You'll find 2 bolts on the top of the assembly, easily visible once the hood is open. The third bolt is usually located at the bottom, accessed through the opening you created by pulling back the fender liner. Use your 10mm socket to carefully loosen and remove all 3 bolts. Store them safely. Finally, with the bolts removed, gently pull the headlight assembly forward a few inches. This gives you enough room to reach behind and disconnect the electrical connectors. Press the small release tabs on each connector and pull them free. Once all wires are detached, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle. You've successfully removed it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.